Hormones like adrenaline, estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, melatonin, and insulin are chemical messengers affecting many aspects of overall health. The entire endocrine system operates together to maintain the hormones distributed in the body. If one or more are even a little unbalanced, it can drive severe health issues. So, as the significance of hormonal balance is known to you now, stay tuned to this video on Pars Health TV channel to learn about 10 foods that balance your hormones. Number 10. Almond. Nuts are among the best options for having a healthy snack. All nuts are tasty and healthy, but the one we will discuss now is almond. Almonds are rich in many vitamins, like vitamin E and A. In addition, to be good for your health and many other health benefits, almonds can enhance adiponectin hormone levels. This hormone is one of the body's most vital hormones because it regulates blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes or prediabetes, almonds will help you manage your blood sugar levels. Women can utilize almonds to decrease their testosterone levels, a male hormone that can cause dry skin in females. Men should get advice from their doctor about its impact on their testosterone levels before regularly consuming almonds. Number 9. Pea. Pea has a mixture of vitamins, especially B vitamins such as B6 and folate, that have various roles in the metabolism of happiness neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Phenethylamine, a compound found in peas, promotes the body to make certain chemicals that play an essential role in depression and other psychiatric conditions. Early research has begun to investigate their role in reducing the symptoms of hormonal depression. Number 8. Soy. Soy, and its active hormonal element, isoflavones, has been publicly opposed due to its estrogen-like effects. The truth is that this substance can be a helpful thing for your health. A meta-analysis of 15 randomized controlled tests indicated that dietary isoflavones, such as those found in soybeans, lowered the number of hot flashes in women without any severe side effects. Another meta-analysis of more than 6,000 women discovered that ingesting soy isoflavones and phytoestrogens, also found in soy, decreased vaginal dryness. What about breast cancer? Do you think that it could be related to soybeans? Like menopause, the outcomes are promising. In a study of 24 studies examining the connection between breast cancer and soy, half found that eating soy decreased breast cancer risk. These were not small studies, one of which was completed on more than 36,000 postmenopausal women. Number 7. Cruciferous veggies. Cruciferous veggies like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, kale, arugula, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, and collards are rich in glycosylated, when broken, can alter the metabolism of specific disease-causing hormones. Research has indicated that high consumption of cabbage vegetables like broccoli reduces the risk of lung cancer. These veggies, especially broccoli, kale, and celery, are the liver's best nutrients for estrogen metabolism. Shouldn't you be a fan of these little green veggies? Number 6. Avocado. Avocado is consistently regarded as one of the most nutritional fruits in the world. Although no superfruit exists, many people believe avocados are superfruits. Avocados are prosperous sources of healthy fats, fiber, and vital vitamins. They can balance several hormones and contain minerals like magnesium and potassium. This fruit has a high level of beta-sitosterol, which has a positive role in blood cholesterol levels and balances the hormone cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone, suggesting that this hormone is created in your body if you get stressed. And avocado can help your body to control cortisol production. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Cherries. Do you need more sleep? Cherries will help you. This fruit is rich in functional chemical compounds. One of them is melatonin, a natural sleep hormone that rises when you go to bed. One study found that consuming cherry juice boosted melatonin, improving the length and quality of sleep in men and women. Melatonin production is necessary for having a night of proper sleep. It also determines the time you fall asleep. So, You can try various types of cherry juices or smoothies. Cherries are also very delicious. Many people love them as their favorite fruit. But if you have stomach aches or gout problems, it's better to not consume cherries on an empty stomach. Number 4. Pomegranate. Pomegranate juice includes anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antioxidant effects that prevent the formation of cancer cells in the skin, breast, and intestines. One of the body's most potent estrogens, estradiol, is vital in spreading breast cancer cells and many more cancers. Pomegranate has some natural compounds that prevent the conversion of weak estrogens to estradiol. As a result, it will be very useful in controlling hormones. So, if your body produces excess estrogen, pomegranates can help your body restore its balance. Number 3. Chicken breast. Do you always eat healthy food but still feel hungry? So, it's time to add protein-rich chicken to your diet. Research indicates that high-protein diets release satiety hormones such as leptin, which let us feel fuller for longer. Chicken breast is among the most nourishing foods for athletes. Because of its high protein content, it can help you to lose weight. After training sessions may also influence the anabolic hormones responsible for building muscle structure. There are several ways you can cook chicken breast: boil it, grill it, etc. If you are looking for more alternatives with this high nutrient value, you can try turkey breast. Number 2. Healthy fats. Fat and cholesterol are utilized in the structure of hormones. The body requires enough cholesterol to make sex hormones such as estrogen and testosterone. It is better to follow a diet with high omega-3 fatty acids and low saturated fats. Coconut oil is well known for its beneficial fats. But another reason to add this oil to your diet, it can play a critical role in hormonal regulation and support the body's transfer of cholesterol to pregnenolone, a substance for hormone development. All these advantages can be achieved by adding a little oil to your foods or salads. Coconut oil is also very helpful for hair. Don't miss this remarkable substance and add it to your diet as soon as possible. Number 1. Organic fruits and vegetables. A diet high in different fruits and veggies will maintain your hormones at an acceptable balance. Your body requires a significant number of fruits and veggies every day to give you a healthy regulation of hormones. Research has confirmed that fruits and veggies that use pesticides in the preparation process can cause infertility in humans. Many pesticides display themselves as hormonal disorders. Therefore, it is better to use organic fruits and vegetables to avoid this problem. You can use pears, apples, spinach, strawberries, blueberries, nectarines, grapes, cherries, peppers, celery, and tomatoes to balance your hormone levels. Which one of these foods is your favorite that you consume daily? Feel free to share your ideas and opinions with us in the comment section below. And don't forget to watch more of our amazing videos on the left and right of your screen.